Welcome to Fondy Famous. I'm your host, Kelly Norfleet. Today's feature is sponsored by Steve Wertz Builders. Thank you, Steve. And today we're here at Aurora Health Care to talk about their SANE program with Brenda and Savannah.
My name is Savannah. I am the RN lead for the Forensic Nursing Department in Oshkosh and Fond du Lac. The types of patients that we see in our program are patients that are affected by sexual assault, domestic violence, strangulation. We also see child abuse and drug-endangered children.
And the patients that come to see us, they have many options of care. We offer them STI, sexually transmitted infection medications. We can collect DNA. We offer them to report or not report to the police. We have an advocate that we offer by law to the patient that has been sexually assaulted, and they help them through the entire process. Even after they would leave the hospital, if there's any court proceedings, they would be that person that would be supporting them throughout the entire journey. When patients come into Aurora Medical Center in Fond du Lac to the Forensic Sexual Assault Nursing Program, they have the option to have evidence collected, and that is DNA that the sexual assault nurse would collect, and that would be sent to the crime lab in Madison to be tested. It can be sent anonymously without reporting to the police, or a patient can report to the police.
We also specialize in taking forensic photos of injuries that they may have gotten from the assault. And this is our high definition camera that we take the photos with, and then it also has a negative invert filter.
The negative invert filter, this camera specializes in that, as if someone has an injury that maybe is really hard to see, or on dark-skinned people as well. If they have an injury that's hard to see, this camera does a negative invert photo, which enhances an injury that's already there. So that helps us determine what type of injury it is, and the nurse does her documentation and measurements of that injury. The forensic nurse also offers the patient to have blood and urine collected. If somebody would come in to see us and they maybe have lost some time during the night, they may have forgotten a lot of things that happened throughout the night, they may have been given a date rape drug. And this is called a drug-facilitated sexual assault kit. And so these samples are sent to the crime lab in Madison to be tested. If you're affected by sexual assault, come to the emergency department in Fond du Lac or Oshkosh. Ask for a forensic sexual assault nurse or a SANE nurse, and that nurse will be called in for you specifically to help you throughout the process.